Hello students, welcome to Learn Guru classes. So last class we have discussed about rationalization where I have explained you in detail about the steps to be followed while rationalizing the denominator. So today we are going to solve some numericals related to rationalization. So let's begin our class. So the first set of sum is simplify by rationalizing the denominator. So clearly 6 plus 4 root 3 is the denominator. So you have to convert this irrational number into a rational number. Okay, so let's start. 6 minus 4 root 3 divided by 6 plus 4 root 3. So as I have discussed in the last class that when you rationalize the denominator, you have to rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator with a term that is called as rationalizing factor. Okay, now how will you choose the rationalizing factor? So rationalizing factor is nothing but everything will remain the same, like 6, this it is plus, so it will be converted into minus and minus 4 root 3. So everything will remain same, only the plus sign has been converted into minus sign. So that's it. So once you have chosen the rationalizing factor, so you will be multiplying both the numerator as well as the denominator with the help of the rationalizing factor. Okay, so 6 minus 4 root 3 is the rationalizing factor here. Okay, so now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? Where a is equal to 6, b is equal to 4 root 3. So we know that a plus b into a minus b, that is 6 plus 4 root 3 into 6 minus 4 root 3, we can directly write as 6 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Okay, so this is the thing that we will be doing. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So I can write this as 6 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Now this is in the form of a minus b into a minus b, right? This is a minus b, this is also a minus b. So a minus b into a minus b is how much? It is a minus b square. So this we will write as 6 minus 4 root 3 whole square. Okay, so now what will you do? Once the things are being done, now you have to just break the formula and do the calculation. So 6 square is 36 minus 4 into root 3, isn't it? So 4 square is how much? 16. Root 3 square is how much? Simply root 3. I have told you when root is there and it is placed within a bracket and the power is 2, so automatically the square root will be removed. Why? The reason I have given you already. So 36 minus 16 into 3 is 48. Now what will you do? Now 6 minus 4 root 3. So a minus b whole square. Tell me the formula. A square minus twice ab plus b square is the formula, isn't it? So here what will you write? A square is 6 square minus 2 into 6. 6 is a. 4 into root 3 is b plus b square. So b square is 4 root 3 whole square. Okay, now we will do the calculations. So 6 square is 36 minus 12 into 4 is 48 48 root 3 plus 16. 16 into 3 is 48. Okay, and this is 36 minus 48. 36 minus 48 is how much? 12, isn't it? So minus 12. So 36 plus 48 is 84. 84 minus 48 root 3, and the denominator you are getting as minus 12. Okay, so what I will do, I will take minus as common. So I can write this as 48 root 3 minus 84 minus 12. Can I write? Did you understand this? Minus, as I have taken a common, so this is minus 48 into 3. So minus plus 48 into 3, root 3, and 84. Before 84 there is positive sign. So minus is plus. So you can write it as minus. Minus 84. So minus is plus. So automatically you are getting as 84. So here minus you can just cancel. So here you see 12 4s are 48. So here we can take 12 as common. So here 4 root 3 and 84 can be written as minus 7. So this is 12 7s are 84 and this is 12. So 12 gets cancelled. So you are getting the answer as 4 root 3 minus 7 is the final answer. Okay, so see how this was a complicated sum, isn't it? Complicated expression where you have both numerator as well as denominator. So with the help of rationalization, how you have done the rationalization? See, minus 12 is a rational number, isn't it? Minus 12 is a negative integer, that is a rational number. So see, with the help of multiplying it with rationalizing factor, you have got a rational number over here. So after that, after doing the required mathematical calculations, you are getting a simplified answer. So this is the significance of simplification. Simplification means you are making a complicated or long expression, mathematical expression into simple form. So with some mathematical operations, okay, and using some formula. So this is the beauty of simplification. Okay, so let's look into the next sum. The next set of sum is find the values of a and b if 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. Okay, so this is the expression that is given to you. 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. Okay, means after simplifying this or after rationalizing, you will get some expression like this, a plus b into root 2, where a is a rational number. Clearly you can say a is a rational number, b is also a rational number accompanied by root 2, means the total rational and irrational number makes is an irrational number. Okay, whatever it is, you have to find the values of a and b. Okay, using this particular expression. Okay, so let us first of all rationalize the denominator of this particular expression. 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2. So this rationalizing, when we rationalize, so you have to multiply it with the rationalizing factor. So how will you choose the rationalizing factor? In the denominator, all the numbers will remain as it is. Only here it is negative sign over here. It will be replaced by the positive sign. That is 3 minus root 2 is the original expression and rationalizing factor will be 3 plus root 2. See, everything remains the same. Only minus has been changed to plus. Now this is the norm that when you have multiplied the number with rationalizing factor in the denominator, so same number it will be multiplying in the numerator as well. Okay, so this we have done. So 3 plus root 2, this has come. Now you have to make some approximations like x equal to 3, okay, y equal to root 2 we can write. So this is x minus y into x plus y. So what is the formula? X square minus y square. Okay, so this you can simply write as 3 square minus root 2 whole square. Now what about this expression? This is in the form of a plus b whole square, isn't it? A plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square. So that you can write it as a or x plus y whole square. Here since I have written x equal to 3, y equal to root 2, so we will be using x plus y whole square. So x square plus y square plus 2xy. What is x? X is 3 square. What is y? Y is root 2 square, isn't it? Plus 2 into x is what? 3 and y is root 2. Okay, so all the values we have placed according to the formula. Now we will do the mathematical calculations correctly. Okay, so this is 3 square is 9 plus root 2 square, that is square root will be removed, plus 2 plus this is 2 into 3 6, 6 into root 2 you are getting, isn't it? And this is 3 square is 9 minus root 2 square is 2. So you are getting 11 plus 6 root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, now this 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2, you are getting this expression. Okay, for further simplification, we will write 11 by 7 divided by 6 root 2 by 7. Okay, so this, in place of this expression, can I write 11 plus 7 divided by 6 root 2 by 7 equal to a plus b root 2? Because writing this or writing this is same, because you have rationalized it and you got this. Please try to understand each and every step. If you understand each and every steps, maths won't be tough for you. Okay, so writing this or writing this is just the same. It makes the same sense. So what I will do here, so clearly a is equal to 11 by 7 since a is a rational number. So simply we can write equating rational and irrational part. So see, 11 by 7 is a rational number, 6 root 2 by 7 is an irrational number. Since a rational number is being multiplied with an irrational number, so you are getting an irrational number. A is a rational number, b root 2 is an irrational number. So just you are equating. Equating means a equal to 11 by 7 we can write, and b root 2 equal to 6 root 2 by 7 we can write. Okay, now root 2 is same in both the two sides. So root 2 we can directly cancel. So b equal to 6 by 7 we are getting. Okay, so the final expression for a you are getting as 11 by 7 and b equal to 6 by 7. So this is the final answer for a and b. Okay, I hope this sum is clear to you. Let's move on to the third sum. The next sum is also similar type as of the previous one, as you have to find out A and B, the value of A and B from this expression. Okay, so first of all let us write this expression. So this is quite a complex term, isn't it? So you have to simplify the term using, of course, you have to use rationalization, because in the denominator irrational number is there. So you have to rationalize and divide some simple term using simple mathematical calculations, and after that you can equate the rational and the irrational part, and it will give you the required answer. Okay, so let's continue with the simplification and rationalization. So 3 plus root 5. So you have to choose the rationalizing factor. So what rationalizing factor you will choose? 3 plus root 5. We will choose this is 3 minus root 5. Okay, now 7 plus 3 root 5 is the numerator. So you will be multiplying it with 3 minus root 5. Okay. Now come to this. This is denominator 3 minus root 5 into 3 plus root 5. Since it is minus, so rationalizing factor will be 3 plus root 5. So 7 minus 3 root 5, you will be multiplying this with the same rationalizing factor. Now half of the things are being done. Now you have to go for you have to use the common formula, algebraic formula, or simplify the problem. Okay, so this is 3 plus root 5, a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. So if this a equal to 3, b equal to root 5, so this will be 3 square minus root 5 whole square. Okay, so now you have to multiply this to expression. 7 into 3, 21, 7 into root 5, this plus minus 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 7 into root 5, then plus 3 into 3 is 9, plus 9 root 5. Okay, then plus minus 3 root 5 into root 5, that is 3 root 5 into root 5, that is 3 root 5 whole square, that is 3 into 5 equal to 15. Okay, so this is minus 15. Okay, next is this expression. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So you will be writing 3 square minus root 5 whole square. Now do the calculations. Plus 7 into plus 3, 21. Then plus 7 into plus 5, that is plus 7 root 5, minus 3 root 5 into 3, minus plus minus 9 root 5, and this is minus 3 root 5 into root 5, that is minus 15. Okay, I hope these calculations are clear to you. Okay, do these calculations by yourself. Okay, then it will be clear to you. So 21, now let us subtract or add the rational part and the irrational part. So 21, 15 are the rational part. So 21, it is minus 15. So 21 minus 15 is 6. Okay, then minus, now let us multiply the irrational part. So 7 root 5 plus 9 root 5. So it will be plus 2 root 5. Why? Root 5 you take as common, plus is before 9, so 9, and minus is before 7, so minus 7, so it gives you 2 root 5. Okay, and 9 minus 5, you will simply write 3 square is 9 minus root 5 square is 5. Minus, this one is 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 minus 2 root 5 and this 9 minus 5. So you are getting 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 9 minus 5 minus 6 minus 2 root 5. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4 and this is also 4. Okay, so 4 we can take as LCM. So 6 plus 2 root 5 minus 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay, everybody agrees with me? Okay, now minus 6 gets cancelled. So you are left with 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 gives us 4 root 5 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. So ultimately you are getting root 5 as the answer. So the value of this particular expression is root 5. Okay, so I will rub all this. So this is root 5 equal to a plus root 5 into b. Simply this is equal to root 5. So root 5 equal to a plus root 5 into b. Now can I write this as 0 plus root 5 equal to a plus root 5b? Yes, we can write, isn't it? 0 plus root 5 is root 5. So 0. Now equating the rational and irrational part. Rational and irrational part. You are having rational part a equal to what? 0 is a rational number. Now everybody agrees 0 is a rational number. A is also a rational number since it is represented in the form of P by Q. So a equal to 0 and irrational part is root 5 equal to root 5 into b. So these are the two irrational part. So root 5 gets cancelled. So b equal to 1. So a equal to 0, required values for a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. Okay, so there are numerous problems in your R.S. Agarwal book similar to this type of expression. So two complicated sums of this is quite complicated. The previous one was much easier. So I have tried to solve this. So you try to look into the try to solve the other sums present in the R.S. Agarwal book. Okay, so I am ending the class here. Next class we will solve some more sums related to rationalization. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Learn Guru classes, like, comment and share it with your friends and relatives. So thank you so much. Bye bye.